It does have a very minor short circuit, because I hear a little bit of snap, crackle, pop, but it runs good, runs well, so it's okay. We put a new drive shaft in it. There's a big old weight in the boiler, it's heavy, and I think it's factory painted. Pretty sure about it, which would make it very rare. It's a United Katsumi model, PFM late 50s. Runs pretty well. I did have to replace a tender truck. One of them broke. They use these non-brass tender trucks from the factory, and they break easily, and one of them broke, so it has a replacement. It has jewels in the marker lamps, probably cubic zirconium. That truck is the factory one. That's the replacement there. That was a quiet motor. There's some paint missing here and there. See the jewels in the front also there. Jewels in the marker lamps. A little bit of wear on top there. Runs pretty well. It does have a minor short, I think, in the trailing truck area. Very minor short, you could hear it, but it's nothing major, because if it runs, so no big deal. Let's see how slow I can go forwards here. It's not the greatest creeping slow speed runner. It'll go pretty good though. Not bad. Yeah, it'll creep pretty good there.